I thank you for joining me. I'm going to be reading the Earth Class Notes, written by the 12th Apostle, entitled Mind Over Matter. Mind over matter. The only time this principle can ever be applied is during our brief time here, designed by God in order for man to prove himself worthy, which is a one-time gift. Jesus understood this during his life here, and his life was perfect before his Father, to the extent that Jesus' life itself would have proven God's justice and paid for the consequences of all sin, evil, and death of all souls. All that was required was for Jesus to have been accepted by those in Jerusalem. Let us look at the context and setting of what is commonly called the Last Supper. In this most important setting, the Son of God was meeting his 12 chosen disciples. When Jesus symbolically spoke, telling the chosen 12 that the bread they ate was his body and the wine they drank was his blood. This was the ultimate double witness of the importance of what was expected of the disciples and all chosen while they lived their life here. In order for any chosen individual to make the very most of their brief time here, action must be taken on their part, keeping their soul open, learning and applying everything they've learned. This was the means Jesus used while he was here. Therefore, we must pursue this, for if we don't, it will never occur. Through our daily process of repetition within our life, we can overcome this world just as Jesus did. Mind over matter. As this is what is expected of every chosen soul. When we embrace our one-time opportunity of proving ourselves before God, this is the means by which we can fulfill the principle of mind over matter to the greatest extent. The ultimate fulfillment of mind over matter took place during the illegal trials, beatings, and crucifixion of the Son of God, as Jesus was focused exclusively on the will of his Father. Mind over matter. How does someone focus exclusively on the will of God? By choosing to.